Hello, and in this PowerPoint, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a hyperlink. So at the moment, we got no hyperlink. So let's say we wanted to do, on the title, my favorite link is here. So we can highlight the word here, right click on a mouse, and then we need to find where it says hyperlink. So this is the hyperlink button, we press that. And then there's loads of things we can do. Existing file or web page. That's what we want in this case. So we go into, say, on the internet, and you need to go into this bar, which is where you'll find what is called the URL or Uniform Resource Locator. We click on it, Control C for copy, and then in the Insert Hyperlink dialog box on PowerPoint, Control V for paste. Control V is a keyboard shortcut for pasting. Control C on your keyboard is a shortcut for copy. In this case, we got our link, we click OK. So let's try this hyperlink in action. So we click on slideshow, and we can also go from current slide if we don't want to go to the beginning. So, favorite link is here. You'll see the mouse is normal. When you go on to, when you hover over here, you'll see the mouse shape changes. Click on it, and that is going to take you, that's going to take you to the internet. It's going to take you onto that web link you wanted to go on. To come out of the presentation, on your keyboard you need to press ESC on the far left, which means escape. And that is how we insert a hyperlink.